Hey sweets, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cameria. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you Maverick locks. I was sent this hair from Janet Collection, and these locks are so pretty. I love how the style turned out. I was sent the color OET 1B27 in 24 inches. So basically, I will start off showing you how I parted my hair. I did about 3 individual braids in the front, and I will connect each individual braid, and then I will just comb over the back. The individual braids in the front gave it more of a natural look to me. I was able to pull it up from how I would normally do my crochet braids. It looked a lot better to me. I also have other crochet hairstyle videos on my channel, so please make sure to check those out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I was definitely feeling myself after this hairstyle. It was so cute, baby. I definitely will be rocking this hairstyle again. These locks are very pretty. It reminds me of like a messy Senegalese twist look. These aren't really like faux locks. They're twists that are wrapped, kind of like how you would wrap faux locks, but they're still so pretty.